slightly higher voice modulation. Can you hear me? Then comes the real fun. The backbenchers. Backbenchers will say, no sir. You get the fun? I asked them, can you hear me? How can the answer be no? You heard the question. That means you can hear, right? So often I trap them into this sort of tricks that then everybody would start laughing. No sir, how can no sir be an answer? So then I demand 10 seconds of absolute silence because I'm going to start an experiment in the class. 10 seconds of silence. With all these weapons applied, all the tuck shooting done, all quiet, class is quiet, and I stay like a statue. Then I will say, clap. And they will be stunned. How in the world the teacher is asking clap? And they did not follow the word. They thought I'm kidding because I tease them a lot so that some of what I tell, they don't believe that it's possible. I say clap. And almost expressionless. I stand like this and say clap. They will not clap. Then I'm like, you didn't hear? Clap. And then some naughty guys will start, clap will start. And clap will end. Clap again. And then now they know that they have to clap. And what is my mission? My mission is to introduce the idea of resonance. Idea of resonance. This is a proven experiment in physics. It's called principle of superposition of states. It is also called coupled oscillator. It's science. It's called clapping, science of clapping. Okay. So I want to introduce this in